Some people want a more secure, more aggressive fit, and so we have the rodeo thigh strap or the
2-inch overlay thigh strap.
2-inch overlay.
That's right. So these two are very closely related, so let's dive into those ones. Let's start with the more simple and work up from there.
Okay.
So what we have here is a thigh strap that uses our D-rings. Let's just pull that off here. So this undoes. It's going to wrap through there, through our 2-inch D-ring, and that's just going to get mounted on the boat. Again, 28-ounce vinyl, big burly box stitch because we don't want it to break. And this one, it's just simple, simple, simple. One on either side, up and over the thigh, and look how simple that is. So what that does is, when it's anchored on the bottom of the boat and up on the side, if you'll give me a little pressure there, what this allows the user to do is it changes the direction, and you lay it down. As that bends over your thigh, it gives a nice firm hold, even when it's wet.
And of course, this is a much more effective quick release.
That's right.
System as well.
Done.